was a while ago, but I think it's time for me to start a vlog again after, a while. But yeah, let's start our new vlog. So since last time I made a vlog, what happened and for what reason I really stopped vlog or made any videos was because I got a cold, and that week I barely read anything. I just coughed and sneezed, and yes, so, and I didn't really feel like vlogging as well, so, and make any videos, so yeah. And now I can say that I finally has stopped coughing. That cough really was with me for a long time. So yeah, that's why I haven't vlogged anything or made any new video. I know that the last video that I made was a wrap up, and yeah. But now I'm feeling better, and I thought, why not get back on track? Cause I know that I like doing vlogs, and I like to edit. So yeah, why not do it? And yeah, so let's start. So it's a few hours later. I haven't really done much at all since I started the vlog. I just been thinking, should I go out or should I not? But yeah, but I'm gonna start dinner now, so I'm gonna film a bit about that. So yeah, so I'm gonna do some meatballs in tomato sauce. I think I have some leftovers from yesterday. I have some pasta I'm gonna heat up, so yeah, it's gonna be nice and quick. And dinner is ready. Yeah. Good morning. It's now Monday, and I just have a shower. And yeah, it's Monday. I just had a shower. It was nice. And now I'm gonna have some breakfast and coffee, and then I will start the day. But shower is done, and it was nice. So yeah, but now breakfast. So it's a few hours later. I've had my breakfast. But yeah, I've just been listening to music, and yeah. Now the sun is coming up. It's been raining all weekend, so but today it looks like the sun is coming. It looks like the sun is going to shine, and I think that later today I will be going out grocery shopping because I need to buy some food. But yeah, but I will do that later today because soon, in a few hours, my physiotherapist is coming home, and we are going to have a meeting and do a follow-up. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. But later I will go grocery shopping if it's not raining. Because I don't like going out when it's raining. So yeah. But yeah, so that's the plan for today. Hello, now I am back home. As you've seen, I've been out, been shopping food, And yeah, it was nice. It was windy outside, but otherwise it did not rain. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you a little bit about what I have bought, because I think I need to charge my battery soon. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. I bought salad. I think it's just salad. What else? Turkish yogurt. Cream. I use this for when I make dinner. And what else? I thought I was gonna try this. This is lemonade. I don't know, can you see it? Yeah, lemonade. I'm gonna try this, so yeah. And hot dogs. But this is hot dogs, but with chicken. So yeah. That's mostly what I bought, so yeah. And now I am going to have a cup of coffee, and then I will eat my. I have some leftovers from yesterday that I'm gonna eat. I'm just gonna do some more pasta, and then I will eat that dinner from yesterday. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now, because it didn't rain outside, but let me tell you this, it was a pretty windy. So yeah, so now coffee. Good morning. No, it's actually not good morning. I've been up for a while, but hi, it's Tuesday today, and like you've seen, it's raining again. But that's okay. I went grocery shopping yesterday, like you've been seeing, but it's raining, and actually I'm thinking I will just stay inside and finish a book that I'm reading at the moment, because that book is going, I have to return it tomorrow to the library. So my plan is to just stay inside and read, because I don't have that much left of the book. So yeah, it's raining. And for me, that's just like, okay, let's just stay inside and read. Because rainy days are reading days. Yeah. Hello, it's Wednesday now, and you know what? Earlier today, I finished the book that I talked about yesterday, that you also saw me reading yesterday. And yes, I finished this book now, Yeah, I finished it. It's a Swedish book, and it's also based on true events, because the authors, it's based on the author's grandmother. So, and I actually like it. I like books that is based on true events. That's, yeah, I like it. And it starts at 1899, and then it goes from to 1950 or 59. Follow this woman throughout her life when she becomes a grandmother, and yeah, it's, I like it. And also, one thing that I did like about this book is that the characters, they aren't perfect, and they felt realistic. So I am happy that I have now finished this book, and I'm actually going to the library now and to return it. Hello! Now I am back home since for a while, and I've been having some lunch. And yeah, now I think I will end the vlog here. I have been to the library, returned the books, and I actually came home with another book. That I actually think I'm gonna do a reading vlog of. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm so happy that I started vlogging again, because I do really like it. It's just that I sometimes overthink. Let's just call it that. But I'm gonna try to start vlog again now when I'm not sick. So, because I do like it, and I like to be creative. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's mostly been rainy days, but I'm still glad I vlogged. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. That will make me very happy. And I will see you soon. Bye.